Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but did you know there's an herb that may help fight tumor cells and boost your overall health? This powerful plant is rosemary, a fragrant herb known not only for its culinary uses, but also for its incredible medicinal properties. Simply smelling rosemary can enhance your mood and memory. In today's video, we'll explore 10 powerful health benefits of rosemary you didn't know about. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with YT Blossom. Natural painkiller, rosemary has been used since 500 BC by Greeks and Romans for its pain-relieving properties. Modern studies show that rosemary oil can reduce pain by up to 30% in stroke survivors and is effective against arthritis, headaches, and even muscle aches. Both oral and topical use can provide long-lasting relief naturally. Balances hormones and fertility. Rosemary contains carnosol, a powerful antioxidant that balances male and female hormones. It can help regulate estrogen and androgen levels, improve menstrual cycles, and even enhance fertility by reducing oxidative stress in the body. Prevents hair loss. Struggling with hair thinning. Rosemary oil stimulates scalp circulation and has been shown to promote hair growth. In one study, participants massaging rosemary oil into their scalp saw a 44% improvement in hair density, making it a natural solution for alopecia. Improves gut health. Rosemary contains tannins and flavonoids that reduce gut inflammation and support digestion. It helps with IBS, bloating, and indigestion by promoting bile production, which improves nutrient absorption and relieves discomfort. Boosts immune system. Compounds like rosmarinic acid and carvacrol in rosemary strengthen your immune defenses. Just 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary provide enough antioxidants to help your body fight off colds and seasonal flu. Benefits for skin and beauty. Rosemary can be your natural skincare hero. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties reduce excess oil, acne, and blemishes. Regular use leads to smoother, glowing skin by balancing sebum production. Lower stress and improve sleep. Feeling anxious? The compound 1,8-cineol in rosemary helps calm the nervous system. Studies show smelling rosemary oil lowers cortisol and pulse rate, reducing stress and improving sleep quality. Regulates blood sugar. Rosemary's polyphenols help muscles absorb glucose, lowering blood sugar levels. This makes rosemary beneficial for those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Neuroprotective properties. Carnosic acid in rosemary protects the brain from oxidative damage and slows cognitive decline. It may even reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and support recovery from strokes. Eye health and vision. Rosemary's antioxidants protect the retina and may prevent conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Studies show rosemary extract helps preserve vision as you age. Side effects and precautions. While rosemary is safe in food amounts, excessive use can cause nausea, spasms, or even miscarriage in pregnant women. Always consult a doctor before using concentrated rosemary oil, especially if you have epilepsy or are pregnant. Rosemary is truly one of nature's miracles, versatile in food, tea, and skincare. Which benefits surprised you the most? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YT Blossom for more natural health tips.